In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a Zoom meeting, step by step. Let's start from the very beginning. First, make sure you have Zoom installed on your computer or mobile device, and that you're signed in to your account. Using an account, instead of joining as a guest, gives you access to all the hosting tools like scheduling, security controls, and recording. Once you're signed in, open the Zoom app. On the home screen, you'll see a few main options. To start a meeting right away, look for the button labeled New Meeting. Click that, and Zoom will launch a new meeting room with you as the host. Your camera and microphone options will appear at the bottom of the screen. Take a moment here to test your audio and video. You can select the small arrow next to the microphone or camera icons to choose the correct devices and open the audio or video settings if something doesn't look or sound right. Now that your meeting is open, it's time to invite participants. At the bottom of the Zoom window, click Participants. Then in the panel that opens, click Invite. You can copy the invitation link and send it through email, chat, or any messaging app your attendees use. If you scheduled the meeting ahead of time through the Schedule button on the home screen, you'll already have the meeting link and details, which you can share in calendar invites so everyone knows the exact time and date. As people begin joining, you'll see their names appear in the Participants panel. You can admit them from the waiting room if you've turned that feature on. This is a helpful security step, as it lets you control exactly who enters your meeting. From this panel, you can also mute or unmute participants and even assign co-hosts if you need help managing a larger group. Next, let's look at screen sharing. At the bottom of the window, click Share Screen. You'll be asked what you want to share: your entire desktop, a specific window, or, for example, a slideshow. Choose what you need, then click Share. While sharing, you can still see your meeting controls at the top or bottom of your screen, so you can pause sharing, switch windows, or stop sharing at any time. During the meeting, use the toolbar to manage chat, reactions, and recording. If you choose to record, make sure everyone is aware. When you're finished, click End in the bottom right corner and select End Meeting for All to properly close the session. By following these steps, you'll be able to confidently host your own Zoom meetings from start to finish.